In this video, we will show you how to connect MemeFi to the OKX wallet. If you guys want to get started with OKX, you can use the links down in the description. Begin by opening the OKX app and locating the OKX icon on the main page. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed. Next, locate the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the screen. This menu includes several options, one of which is the share link feature. Then choose this option to copy the link required for connecting your wallet to MemeFi. If you're familiar with the OKX interface, this step should be quick and straightforward. If you're in Nigeria, access to some services might be restricted. To bypass any limitations, it's recommended to use a VPN. Now select a server located in a country without restrictions to ensure seamless access and avoid interruptions during the connection process. Once the link is copied, head back to the OKX app and paste it into the search bar. This will take you directly to the necessary page for completing the process. Following this step ensures the correct procedure and doesn't miss any crucial actions. Afterward, you'll see an Open App button that leads you to Telegram. In Telegram, detailed instructions on connecting your OKX wallet to MemeFi will be provided. Carefully follow each step to ensure a smooth and successful connection. Finally, click the Connect Wallet button in Telegram to finalize the wallet connection. You will then be prompted to approve the transaction in the OKX app. Double-check all transaction details for security purposes before confirming. Once completed, your OKX wallet will be linked to MemeFi, allowing you to claim coins. By following these simple steps, you can successfully connect your OKX wallet to MemeFi and claim your free coins. So that's how to connect MemeFi to the OKX wallet. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with OKX. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.